What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to open up a locked door. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we've got a lock here on a bedroom door that needs a key to open it. Now I need to go in here to measure up some blinds. Somebody's locked it from behind and we don't have the keys for it. So I'm going to show you guys an easy way to open this up. What we're going to be using here is just a shim. Now, if you don't have a shim at home, these ones here come in a whole range of different thicknesses. You can use anything from a plastic bottle, and you can cut a little plastic section like this one here out from it. You can use a credit card, or you can use even a book cover. Some of the good quality book covers have a plastic coating on the outside to protect it, and that's all you need. What we're going to be doing here is simply take that shim right between the door jamb and the actual door, and we're going to be pushing that latch out of the way. So sometimes it takes a bit of effort. You just want to line it up in line with the door here, or the actual lock itself. Slide that one there in. And once you've got it in, you simply pop it open. Now I'll show you guys quickly on the back side here what we're actually doing. So the door's still in the lock position. All we're doing is simply sliding that little plastic shim here in between the door jamb, and we're simply pushing back our little latch. Now that latch is always free, so all you do is just simply slide it between a door and a door jamb, push it through. That's going to retract that latch, allowing you to open up the door. Nice simple way to do it. But if you don't want to get into this position in the first place, simply don't put a lockable lock. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.